So now what we're going to do is to plot these two columns. And we're going to do stacked column. Okay. So what that will do is, so each row, the numbers add up to exactly 100%, right? So the first number is the percentage of 0, the second number is percentage of 1. So that's the one that we're going to select. So this will allow us to compare different values of Zn and see how similar those Zns are. So I'm going to do some titles here. Distribution of cat med B, right? Oops. By Zn, right? Now the legend here says series 1 and series 2, which is not very descriptive. Okay, we want to be able to have 0% for series 1 label and 1% for series 2 label. So what we need to do is to go to design, select the chart, go to design, right, and then select data. So now we can change the names for the series. So series 1, edit, and we say cat.med V equal to 0. Series 2, cat.med V equal to 1. Okay. All right. So now we have. Well, let's change this scale and the decimal place. So go to select. Make sure that the y-axis scale is selected. And then you right click and do format axis. Okay, so here if you change the maximum to 1 instead of 1.2, so that will go from 0 to 100, right? And then we can remove the decimal place, go to the bottom, and then you see number there. So change, click the down arrow and change the decimal places to 0. All right. So that will be. So now we have the chart. Now we can study and then see where the similarities are. See here, Zn of 6, Zn of 8, well, we need to change the x-axis. We don't want 1, 2, 3. We want these numbers there, so we will have exact correspondence to the Zn value. So right now, this is just going 1 through 26, the 26 unique values. So I have to go back into, so select the chart, design, select data. So now we have to change the horizontal axis. Instead of going from 1 through 26, we will have these values to represent the x-axis. Okay. So now we have the actual z values, actual zn values. Okay. Okay, so now you see 12.5, okay, 18, 21. So let's see. Zn equal to 12.5, 18, 21, 25, 28, 30, 70, right? 30, well, I'm missing 52.5, missing that. 52.5, all right, 70, and 85. Okay, all have 100% cat med V equal to 0. So we could probably combine all of them into just one single category. Okay. Then Zn equal to 17.5, right? That one. Then 90, 95, and 100. 90, 95, and 100 all have 100% cat med V equal to 1, and they can be combined. So you have significantly reduced the number of distinct values, and this is another way of decreasing the number of, the dimensionality, one way of mitigating dimensionality problem.